Why would you help the police arrest you? Hey everyone, I'm Howard Dworman with Dworman Law. I'm answering some common questions that I get and wanted to share this with everybody. A lot of times people ask me, it's a two-part question. One, is Arizona a zero-tolerance state when it comes to DUIs? And what are you supposed to do if you get stopped for a DUI? Arizona is not a zero-tolerance state. Arizona, its standard is impaired to the slightest degree. That means that the prosecutor of the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt to a jury of your peers that you are impaired to the slightest degree by alcohol, drugs, combination thereof. Second question is, what am I supposed to do? Pull over when you're asked to pull over, or when it's safest to do so. Then, be polite, give the officer your name, your driver's license, your registration, your insurance. After you've given all the information, the officer might ask you some questions. Have you been drinking tonight? Where are you going? Where are you coming from? You simply say, I'm not going to answer those questions. You don't have to. The officer may ask you to get out of the car. If they do, you have to get out of the car. Refusing to get out of the car is another crime. The officer then may ask you to perform some field sobriety tests. You don't have to do those. It's not a crime to refuse to do those tests. Those tests are designed to give more evidence against you. I'm sorry, officer, I'm not going to do those tests. I'd like to call a lawyer. Leave it at that. Now, the officer at some point is going to ask you to perform a blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance test. That's called the admin per se. That's something that you agreed to do when you got your license here in Arizona. Before you agree to that test, do yourself a favor, call a lawyer. Now, to be very clear, this is blanket general advice. It does not apply to your specific case. If you are dealing with something like this, or if you have a question about something you've dealt with, or are in the process of going through, please give us a call. 480-256-2449, or you can email me, howard@dwormanlaw.com. I'd be happy to hear from you, and I look forward to it.
If there's a topic we haven't covered yet, or you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below, and we will address it as soon as possible. Thank you.